Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Sisaphezu kwayo indaba yakwaMseleko. Welcome to my channel guys. Today we are covering on uthando nesithembu. Hayi, kushubile nkosi yami. Kushubile Thixo, kushubile. Umcimbi ulokhu usaqhubekeka. We can see here amakhosikazi they refused ukubana unumber 5 angene emagcekeni akwaMseleko. So amadoda akamseleko nabantu bakwaDuma they had to go outside to see umakoti wabo omusha unumber 5 uMakhwela nkosi yami. She had to be unfortunately bambuyisele emva because she was excited about coming emagcekeni akwaMseleko. She thought ukubana finally she can get to go and be ekhaya emagcekeni akamseleko, and the wives they refused ukubana hayi angeke ukubana kuziswe umuntu okubana we are not comfortable with having her around here. Now she's being brought, and on top of that we were lured. Oh, the 3 wives are fuming. The 2 wives actually. Umayeni, 3. Umayeni, uMakhumalo, noMangwabe. Like nje, bamuncu nje. Like, they're like, can we just go? Kube kuya ngabo njai. Kube kudala bahambile. Unfortunately, the bubble ka number 5 had to be popped because bamalele ukubana angene emagcekeni. We can see here uMseleko having a conversation with her, asking ukubana is she ready to come and meet the other wives, and yeah, she was looking forward to it. We can see here lana nakhona uMseleko abahlangabeza outside the gate because she's not even allowed ukubana just to go inside the gate, whether omunye wamakhosikazi uzombona okanye hayi. So uMseleko and the guys, the Duma family, they had to go outside ukubana bayebona uMakhwela unumber 5, and hayi nkosi yami no, ubekhungwa nokukhungwa akhungwa amile. Yeyi nkosi yami, aphiwa lama 50 rand babempha wona amile, and hayi no, it just, to me that looks like, yesh, I know that nje doesn't look very well. Umayeni uyonqaba nje uzo ubiza uMseleko ngesigebengu. Ugayizini uthi yes wena crook, that you lured us into believing ukubana we are coming to your Thanksgiving, knowing ukubana wena you are bringing your beloved number 5. They are all like, count me out, count me out. Shem, uMseleko yena is such a darling nkosi yami. He respected all his wife's wishes, all the 3 wives that were not comfortable with seeing number 5. That we have to salute him for that. Bana, at the end of the day, you will marry number 5. You will bring number 5 uMakhwela emagcekeni akwaMseleko, whether they like it or not. But for today, he's like, I'm going to respect your wishes. Shem, siyambona uMakhwela uphandle kwemagceke lana abantu bakwaDuma, the Duma family, abantu abadala bakoMseleko, as they were here, bona nabo they were notified ukubana hayi kutabe kuno number 5 ozako, nitakubona umakoti wenu omsha ozayo. But unfortunately all the wives, they were like, we don't want to be involved. This was not what was on our agenda. You can see here uMseleko trying to explain kubo ukubana It was a ceremony of a Thanksgiving. Since the Duma family was here, bacinga ukubana you might as well introduce number 5 whilst there was a ceremony and abadala bekhona. Still the wives, they're like, if you had notified us ukubana number 5 will be here, uMakhumalo, uMangwabe and uMayeni, they're like, we do not want to hear it. If we knew, we would have never came here, because we had said ukubana we don't want to be part of number 5. It is unfortunately ukubana uMakhwela had to be met outside by the Duma family. Bambonele ngaphandle kwamagceke amile. Hi, what about talking about awkward moments? That must have been awkward for number 5. You like so furious, you like mad and fuming, yet at the same time you just have to smile like, it is what it is. But in deep down in your heart, you like, why did you have to embarrass me like this? Yeah, she does feel highly disappointed ukubana uMseleku didn't tell her ukubana unfortunately things have changed. There's been new plans. The wives they are not budging. I know. We can see nakhona lana when they were having a conversation, we can see number 5, shem, Nkosi yami ngathi ugele uzithandela isilungu nje. And we can hear lana uMseleku trying to like, girl, kuyakhulunywa la. You cannot be coming here and speaking, girl. Kodwa hayi isingisi ntombi. Kodwa yehlisa ngesingisi. Guys. Kodwa yehlisa. Hey, guysini. Hamba sichadana nabatata bethu. Ngoku uMseleku is telling number 5 ukubana you cannot be speaking English. Kodwa hayi isilungu ntombi, yehlisa. And you can see her heart bawling her eyes out. She's like rolling her eyes in like, really? Are you being for real with me right now? She's like, are you being real with me right now? Ntombo. Anyway, we can see ukuthi ziyakhala kaMseleku empeleni, ziyakhala nje. Ziyakhala kaMseleku, like uMakhe, she is not budging it. She seems like she is directly joined uMangwabe. Umayeni now is like, I feel so disrespected, because njengoba nihlala nisho ukubana mna I am a Dililu, ukubana hayi kusho ukubana isilima yimi ke nalana. Since everyone was always saying ukubana I am delusional, well then it's me, the Mrs. Delusional, that did not know what was happening. Everyone else knew. You see here, the whole family, the Duma family, just stepped outside to go and see uMakhwela, the new wife number 5. The new wife, since amakhosikazi bonqabile ukubana they don't want her coming emagcekeni, because nabo they are there and they were there first. So obviously uMseleku had to respect their wishes not to bring uMakhwela emagcekeni akaMseleku, even though he was prepared ukubana she will be here, she is coming, and everyone will be ready to see her. The 3 wives, they're like, no, please do not involve us. We were not told ukubana the introduction of number 5 was on the table. If we knew, we would have never came. Mayeni directly said ukubana, if you had told me ukubana kuzo, she's like, count me out. She's like, ungangitsheli nje, don't tell me, because I do not want to hear it. uMangwabe yena, she's like, nje, even your face, she can't even smile, she can't even fake it. Hayi, uMakhe yena, uMakhumalo, awa, looking hot like a hito, with your popping lipstick, with your sunglasses. Girl is like, yay. She is hot. She is looking hot, like she came there prepared. Ukubana angizokujwayela kubi yini mina. Because at the beginning we thought uMakhumalo is supporting uMseleku. We thought it was uMayeni noMangwabe who were not agreeing with number 5. Now it seems like it is 3 against 2. Because uMacele, funny enough, uMacele is enjoying all of this. I'm sure she's like, yeah, man. All of you guys nje. Benisithi ningobani. Nizongihlalela endodeni, think you are unreplaceable. Look at you guys. All of you. You just got replaced with a what? A 25-year-old. Umntwana enimzalayo, intanga yabo Snake. Ooh, You can see here number 5 looking hot and disappointed ukubana she was not allowed ukubana shingene emagcekeni akwamseleku, and she's very upset ukubana uMseleku knew ukubana the wives had refused ukubana they don't want her inside. So rather than for them to go and see her outside, he could have just called her and said, you know what, my sweetheart, just stay at home for now. But they had to drive all the way from wherever they were coming from with their aunties, only to be welcomed outside the gate. Shame, man. That's not nice. That is not nice, honestly. That is not nice. Like we can see here, uMayeni naye looking at abantu bakwaDuma as they were coming from outside. Ukuyebona number 5, bayeza nje, bayagiya nje, bajabulile nje, baze babonga uMthombeni, babonga namakhosikazi akhona. Yet the wives, they're like,